Welcome to our channel, where we're delving into the world of natural health and wellness. Today, we're focusing on a topic close to our hearts: eye health. Join us as we explore the incredible power of herbs in protecting and nourishing your precious peepers. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an eye-opening video. Before we talk about herbs, let's understand the importance of eye health. Our eyes are our windows to the world, allowing us to experience life's beauty. But factors like aging, digital screens, and environmental pollutants can take a toll on our vision. That's where herbs come in, nature's gift to support and protect our eyesight. Now, let's dive into the star players, herbs that protect your eyes. First up, we have bilberry, rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins. Bilberry helps improve circulation to the eyes, supporting night vision and overall eye health. Next, we have ginkgo biloba. This ancient herb enhances blood flow to the eyes and brain, promoting clarity of vision and cognitive function. Moving on to eyebright, a herb with a name that says it all. Eyebright is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to soothe irritated eyes, making it a valuable ally in combating eye strain and fatigue. Let's not forget about turmeric, a golden herb renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that turmeric may help protect against age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration. Last but not least, we have saffron, the king of spices. Saffron contains compounds like crocin and quercetin, which have been shown to protect the retina from oxidative damage and improve visual acuity. Now that we've met our herbal heroes, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily routine. You can brew a soothing cup of herbal tea using dried bilberry, eyebright, or saffron. Or why not add a pinch of turmeric to your morning smoothie for an eye-boosting kick? For a more savory option, try cooking with fresh herbs like ginkgo biloba leaves, or adding them to your salads and stir-fries. The possibilities are endless, and your eyes will thank you for it. In addition to incorporating herbs into your routine, here are some lifestyle tips to keep your eyes shining bright. Wear sunglasses to protect against harmful UV rays, take regular breaks from digital screens, and maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids. Your eyes will thank you for these simple yet effective habits. As we wrap up our journey through the world of herbs for eye health, remember that nature has provided us with powerful tools to support our vision naturally. Whether it's bilberry for night vision or saffron for retinal protection, these herbs offer a holistic approach to eye care. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments below which herb you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and insights. Until next time, here's to happy, healthy eyes.